So friends, we learned about the concept of mocking and why is it so important to unit testing. So there is one more challenge with unit testing. That challenge is that not only developers need to write unit tests. There can be other people of the projects, for example, testers or business analysts who don't know coding, but they are very good on the functionality, how the code should work, how the functionality should work. They have a lot of very good knowledge on that. So is there a way to empower them to write intelligent test without having to learn to code? Yes, the answer is yes, and the solution is to use Cucumber. Okay, so Cucumber is a tool which allows you to write test, as you can see here in the screen. Write test in simple English. So here we are writing test in simple English. Calculator service operations. We can see that here we are writing test in simple language. What we are saying, scenario, add two numbers. Given I have a calculator, so obviously you need a calculator class to test this. When I add 5 and 3, it is very simple English. Okay, and then the result should be 8. Again, very simple English. Similarly, the scenario here is different. Subtract two numbers. Given, so given is like a precondition that needs to be there. Okay, so given is like a precondition. If the precondition is met, then when you do some action, the action is subtract 10 from 5, then the result should be 5. So anyone can write unit test using Cucumber. There is some code which is a one-time test. You can add many scenarios here. For example, if you copy this and here you paste and you say add 6 and 7, the result should be 13. So you can simply add new test like this. Okay, so there is some code which is needs to be written one time that the developer can write, but this part business analyst or quality analyst can come and add, remove scenarios as and when he wants. Okay, so this is that one time code. Here what we are doing, we have to create definitions, calculator step definitions. So we have created this also in our test folder. So we have created a package called step definitions. Here what we are doing is, so here we have two properties. We have a calculator and we have a calculator service, and we have an integer property which is a result. So in the given, this given matches with this given. Okay, so I have a calculator. This string also should match. I have a calculator. Okay, you can give any name to the method. So what you're doing is we are creating a calculator object, then we are creating a calculator service. We are passing the calculator object to the calculator service. Okay, now this when matches with this when. Okay, so this syntax should also match. What is there? I add 5 and 3. So here is also I add, and then there is this expression for an integer, then there is the and word, and then there is again expression for this integer. Okay, so that is matching with the template of this input. So this is the template, and these are the samples of this template. Okay, I think we deleted something. It is giving a gray sign, which means it was not matching with the template. Now since we added, now it is matching. Now we'll check then. So then template is the result should be followed by an integer. Okay, we can see all these three are matching this template. The result should be followed by an integer. That is why IntelliJ is also showing them in different color, blue color. Okay, because this is matching with this template. Okay, so this was the when for this scenario. Then there is another when. This one, because this is the subtraction scenario, here given and then is same, but when is different. So here we have another template for the when. Here it is written I subtract int from int. So we can see that this is matching. I subtract 10 from 15. This is matching with this template. Okay, so that is why you have to create this step definition class. Okay, basically you need to match this given with given, when with when, and then with then. So you can see we have given, we have when, and then we have then. Okay, so and this all these inputs should match this template. Okay, so then you also need to create this configuration class. We have created another package for this, which is called runner, and inside this runner we have created this configuration class. Okay, so in this class what you need to do is you just need to add where is this file living. This is called the features file. Okay, so this file we have created in resources features. Okay, you have to give the features file location, and then you have to give this package name. If we see if we see our calculator service class, this is the package name com.hello world consulting .unit testing, hello world consulting unit testing. And then we have step definitions. Step definition is here. Okay, hello world consulting .unit testing, and then we have step definitions. Okay, and this is the syntax how the report should be generated. Okay, so this is a configuration class. This run with Cucumber class. So we also need to add the Cucumber dependency in the pom.xml. Let me show you. I have added this. These three dependencies you need to be added in order for us to be able to use Cucumber. Okay, so we have added these dependencies. We have created this configuration class. You know, this run with Cucumber, if you see, if we control click this is the class from the Cucumber library which we have added, Cucumber JUnit, this one. Okay, this class belongs to here, but basically you need to tell that you need to run using Cucumber. Okay, now what we can do is, so IntelliJ automatically recognizes that this is a Cucumber file, and you can simply click the run button here as well. If you click the run button here, it will run these three test cases. It should run these three test cases. So friends, this is how using Cucumber you can add multiple scenarios to your code. This is a simple feature file which is just like a text file. You just need to follow the templates that you have defined here for strings, and using these templates you can add as many scenarios here and update as many scenarios as possible. Okay.